ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Well done! Amazing! We all love your train set. Let's go find that toy! Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. That's the way! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. That's perfect! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. That's perfect! Where to now? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right leads to the Rolling Bridge. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. That's the way. Super! Great! We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Left leads to Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? Just drag a wagon. Great! Where to now? Left leads to Cannonball. We're almost at the town square. Forward leads to the town square. This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the toys you've placed in your train set and all the ones that are left to get. Left leads to McCall's Farm. Forward leads McCall's Farm is coming up. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Just drag the sheep. Well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Super! Thanks for helping out! Pick any toy you like. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Forward. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. That's perfect. Just slice or tap it to open. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Super! That was super cool!